Hello, I hope everybody is doing good. So, Gani Chand hai na? And yeah, I'm sure you all are following up with the workouts and all, doing your own exercises and all with the workouts there. I hope, and I'm sure you're doing it up. So this week, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a taste of what we have been doing. Yes. So what we're gonna do is first thing what we're gonna do is oh yeah, first of all, I'm sorry I've got some lighting problems, so please don't mind for that. First thing what we're gonna do is since we're gonna do running outside, we'll do running at home. So what we're gonna do is quick fit, sport jogging, high knees, 30 seconds. So you're going to do that for 30 seconds. See how long you can do. Sorry, how many steps you can do in 30 seconds. Please, I'm going to request you by now only. If you have somebody with you, tell them to start a timing for you. I will request if you can tell somebody to do that for you so you can start and stop at exact timing. And please make note 30 seconds पे कितना हुआ वो नोट करके रख देने का. 30 seconds पे quick fit कितना हुआ. 30 seconds. Right, left, right. No flat foot, please. No heels, toes. Jara toes पे भी नहीं, but toes. Okay. So that is 30 seconds done. First is 30 seconds quick fit. Please make a count of how many steps you can do. Second, mountain climber. Mountain climber 30 seconds of mountain climber. See how many you can do. Keep a note of that. And after each stage, you can take 1 minute break. After each stage, 1 minute break. And after that, start again, mountain climber. Knee to the chest. 30 seconds. Keep a count of how many you can do. 30 seconds. First, quick fit, 30 seconds. 1 minute break. Mountain climber, 1 minute break. And the next one, plank. Plank, now you're going to do maximum is 5 minutes like how we always do. So plank, like this. See how long you can do. Plank. And no moving around. Please make sure that when जब plank कर रहा है तो make sure that your body doesn't come up like this. ऐसा भी नहीं. Straight, flat. So that is plank. See how long you can do. After that, after when the plank is done, now next will be side plank. Side plank. Like this. And don't keep your hand ज़्यादा आगे नहीं पीछे नहीं ऐसा ज़्यादा अंदर मत लाओ. Straight. You can keep your hand like this or like this. Side plank and your feet will be on top of the other like this. Side plank जब side plank करा और फिर on top. So right लेकर कितना कर सकता है देख लो please. And then left side plank. So make sure that you have a good angle. पाय ऐसे ऊपर रखने का. हाथ ज़रा अंदर नहीं, ज़रा बाहर भी नहीं. Try to keep it straight. You can keep your hands here. पाय नीचे टच नहीं करने का, ये टच नहीं करने का. Nothing will touch, just the hand and that. So plank हो गया. 1 minute break. Right side 1 minute break. Left side 1 minute break. Next is sit up flexibility. Sorry. So flexibility का हम क्या करने वाला है घर पे. Whatever you will be doing, please make a marking at one side of the house where you can do every day, where you can make a marking so that it won't be a problem, so that it won't erase also. So for example, मैंने आज का ये लाइन किया है. ये रोज का लाइन होने वाला. एनी टाइम यू कैन डू. ये तो कभी भी कर सकता है. एनी टाइम एनीवेयर यू कैन डू. सॉरी, एनी टाइम ऑफ द डे. मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट डू इट आफ्टर ईटिंग एंड ऑल. सो पहले का लाइन हो गया. एंड ये डिस्टेंस लाइक दिस. ये दोनों पाई का डिस्टेंस. कीप डिस्टेंस लाइक दिस. ज़्यादा लाभ नहीं. दिस यू कीप लाइक दिस लाइन. Breathe in and out. Push. This is not new for you. Hands like this. Fish. Not in front again. Not like this. ऐसे नहीं करने का. And knees up नहीं करने का. You know that very well. In. Out. And mark. No lifting your heel. Please keep that. No lifting your knee. Sorry. And जो भी जितना भी हुआ 1-2 second hold mark करके रख दो please. Mark करके रख दो. Next time try to improve more than that. This will be a flexibility test which you can do anytime, every time. Sorry, anytime but not after food. Roads you can do every day. So please make a marking. अगर नीचे you know that line के आगे positive negative. So make sure that it goes ahead. If पीछे गया तो no problem. Make sure that you give your best and you improve थोड़ा सा. It will practice every day, right? So that is flexibility. So that's the fourth one. So we have now done flexibility also. The next one will be sit-ups. For sit-ups, we all know, don't lift your heel, don't lift your toe, up. You might want to keep it flat, keep your hands on the back. Breathe out, in, out, in, out. Keep your hands on the back and 30 seconds karna hai. So this one also the same thing. You see how much you can do, how many you can do in 30 seconds. Keep a count of that. 30 seconds ho gaya. So the next one is coordination. Coordination, we'll be doing coordination also because it's very effective as well. We've done while as well. So you take, make sure that you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps and 7 steps, and then I'll just move it to one hand throw, one hand catch, one hand throw, one hand throw, one hand catch, one hand throw, one hand catch, right, left, left, right. Alternate. If you throw with the left, catch with the left. Sorry, if you throw with the right, catch with the left, and then throw with the left, catch with the right. In 1 minute. So you can practice for a while, and then once you're ready, you can start off 1 minute. Please make a count of how many catches you can make in 1 minute. So please make sure that all these things you keep a count of how many you are doing and how long you can do, marking karke rakho. And if it will be great if you can send me, कि जितना इतना हुआ है, playing this much, playing for this long, quick fit 30 seconds पे कितना किया है, plank कितना लंबा किया है, how long you did, and then mountain climber in 30 seconds, how many you did, and then side planks कितना किया है, right, left, and then sit ups, and then coordinations, and then flexibility. Flexibility, अगर marking नहीं किया तो it might be hard to say also. If you have a scale, you can measure centimeter का line के ऊपर से 1 centimeter to 1.5. You can measure that. Minus what we can measure that. That also you can send. And the last thing is vertical jump. Sorry, not the last thing. Vertical jump. I'm gonna ask you to get something that you can paste on the wall. तो क्या करने का, ऐसे पेस्ट करके रखने का. So let's say this is my level now. I have to jump and touch this. I'll make it easy for you. So this is my level now. I have to keep it here. I have to jump and touch this. Jump and touch this. So now this is done. Next thing, you can take a stool, keep it up, थोड़ा सा ऊपर. So make sure that this thing doesn't fall down. Keep something that won't fall. और अगर लगता है आपको गिरने वाला वो, so you can make a marker there. You can make a marking here. So the next time you can paste something and try and jump and touch this. So every time you touch this, every time you are able to touch this, increase it a bit. If you are not able to touch that, keep it there. Until and unless you are able to touch that thing, keep it there. So you can paste it anywhere in your room, in the house, anywhere. Keep it something like this or make a marker. And the moment you touch it, level up, keep it. So this is the vertical jump. So you can keep it here, keep this one at home. Anything that would stick to the wall and it will not blow away, or you can make marking. And then that's very good for vertical jumping high, So make a marking, jump with both feet. So that's the first thing. And the last thing, we usually have the lower body jump. So what we're going to do is, the same thing I'm going to ask you to make a marker here, or you can जो flexibility का line किया उधर ही marking करके रख देने का. Flexibility का उधर marking same line जो ये पाए रखता है ना, वो line पे start करने का and swing, keep your hands down, swing, 1, 2 and jump. So jump आगे नहीं लेने का, पीछे का लेने का. सपोज इधर से उधर तक मैंने इधर से इधर तक जंप किया तो ये मार्कर करके रखने का. स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट इज हियर, तो जंप किया इधर, ये मार्किंग करके रखने का. सो दिस अ मार्किंग लोअर बॉडी जंप. यू कैन स्टैंडिंग ब्रो जंप, यू कैन कीप अ मार्किंग. यू स्टार्टेड जंपिंग फ्रॉम बोथ द लेग्स टुगेदर, प्लीज बोथ द लेग्स टुगेदर, आगे पीछे नहीं, बोथ द लेग्स टुगेदर. व्हेन यू जंपिंग 1 2 एंड बोथ द लेग्स टुगेदर, जंप, कीप अ मार्किंग. अगर आप पीछे हार गया, when you fall back and हार कर गया तो हाथ का ही लेने वाला है. So make sure that you give your best. Out of 3, best of 3 you see, 1 2, jump, swing your hands, jump, marking करके रखने का. So you can keep marking like that. these are basic small things which you can do at home, but very effective as well. And I would request that please keep a result of everything. उसको भूलने का नहीं, marking करके रख दो. You can write it down somewhere, so the next time you see, you know what you have to do, and see whether you're improving or where you need to improve, and you can work on that. So that will be for this week. I hope you all please do it sincerely, and I'm sure you'll do it. Of course, that's it. And if it is convenient for you, do share your score and all, you know, and so that we can keep a check on like that. And if you're not comfortable, it's okay. You can keep it for yourself, compare it. Next time, see the improvement and all. Good for yourself. Do it for yourself. And yeah, please follow up with the other exercises also. Till then, take care, stay healthy, and all the best. Bye bye.